Pinterest has millions of visitors per month. Whether you're familiar with Pinterest or not, it's huge, and you need to be making money from it. Lucky for you, I'm going to show you a great method today that will have you earning $50 to $300 per day with Pinterest without taking pictures, creating blogs, or inventing any product. So be sure to pay close attention to every single money-making minute of my step-by-step instructions. If today's video sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get right into it. Specific product that I see other people making money with, and I'm going to show you exactly how to start doing it. So sign up to ClickBank, and once you're logged in, click on Marketplace and search for Dunk. You're going to see this product right here called Vertical Jump Training. That's literally making people money right now, and every time they make a sale, they're making around $40. So with literally just 3 customers, you could be making over $100 online. And all you're doing is making money from the products you find inside of ClickBank. And this is basically a training course that's going to help people jump higher. If you click, it's going to open up the website of the product. And you can see right here, there's basically a video that's going to show people actual results, actual proof that this actually works. And when people scroll down to the bottom, people can actually sign up. Buy this training right here, and every time somebody buys the training, you're going to be earning a commission inside of your ClickBank account. So for step 1, you just want to find this product. For step 2, you're going to click on the name of the product so you can open up the website, and right here, you're going to see actual video testimonials where people are going over their experience with this training, going over their results before and after. And what you're gonna do for this next step is find one of these videos on YouTube, download it, and we're gonna start making money off it. So all you wanna do is copy the name of the video, so you're gonna see it at the bottom. Then the next thing you're gonna do is go to YouTube, paste the name inside the search bar, and you're gonna see the video pop up. Like I mentioned, this is basically a basketball product that's gonna help people jump higher. And you might be thinking, but who's actually gonna want this? If you Google it, you can find that there are hundreds of millions of people around the world who would like to play basketball. So clearly the interest is there. So all you want to do for the next step is find one of the videos on YouTube, then you're going to click on the video. After that, copy the URL of the video. You can find the downloader and download the video to your device. You can use any YouTube video downloader that you find on Google. Once you have the video downloaded to your device, we can move on to the next step. For step 3, we're going to use canva.com to customize the video. Just sign up for a free account, and once you're logged in, click on videos. Then click right here where it says mobile video. Once you do that, you're going to see the video editor pop up. Once you're inside the editor, you're going to upload the video that you just downloaded to your device, and you're going to add the video onto the screen. Once you do that, go ahead and start stretching out the video, and you can see right here that they're actually doing before and after videos. So after 2 weeks, after 3 weeks, after 5. What you want to do is get week number 1, then get week number 6 to show the transformation and the results. So go ahead and clip this video up by clicking on the scissors at the very top. You're going to do the first part of the video, which was this one right here. So once you clip it up where you're only showing the first 2 weeks, the next thing you want to do is click on Add Page at the bottom. Re-upload the video, then you're just basically going to clip it up and show the ending of the video where they're actually getting results. Once you clip this video, the last thing you want to do is actually add text to your video so people know exactly what's going on here. So all you want to do is add simple text like this. I changed the background of the video to black, and all you gotta do is use the elements on the left-hand side. Then after that, I added text at the very top and again. In the text box, you can just type in something simple like "dunk like a pro" before and after. And at the very bottom, you're gonna put the product name. So, try VertShock today. You're basically showing people that this actually works, letting people know what's going on. It's gonna help them dunk like a pro, before and after results, and the name of the product. Once you're completely done with this, just click on Share at the top, then download this new video to your device. Now we can start monetizing it. For the last and final step, we're going to upload the video onto Pinterest. Go ahead and create a free Pinterest account, and once you're logged in, you want to turn it into a business account so that you can start seeing all the analytics and to let Pinterest know that you're trying to be a creator on here. And what you're going to do once you're logged in is click on Create Pin, and after that, you're going to upload the video that you just created. So you're going to upload and give your video a title and give it a description, and make sure you add hashtags at the very bottom. Now, where you see destination link, here's where we're going to put our affiliate link so we can start getting paid. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a sec. So for now, go ahead and give your video description a title and some hashtags basically describing what the video is about. You can check out what I wrote here as an example. Make sure to add hashtags about basketball so that this gets shown to people who are actually interested in basketball. The very last thing you're going to do is add your destination link, which is going to be your affiliate link inside of ClickBank. So when people actually buy the product, you start getting paid for it. So you're going to click on Promote right here, click on Create Link, then you're going to see the special link track to your account. This link looks kinda long and spammy, so just copy it, head on over to bit.ly.com, paste it in to shorten it, then copy the new shortened affiliate link and paste this new link in the destination link section on your Pinterest post. Once you're completely done, go ahead and click on Publish, and after that, you're going to see the post published onto your page. So the next thing you want to do is obviously start building up your page around basketball, around dunking, around this product right here. So when people actually go to your page, they know it's all around basketball and basically jumping higher. So to do this, the next thing you want to do is go back to this website right here where you're seeing all these testimonies and find more videos that you can recreate. There's literally 12 of them on here. And after that, you want to go to an actual basketball page, like a TikTok page, where they're basically showing basketball clips, dunking clips that are basically online viral videos that you can download and start adding them to your page. So check out this video, for example. All you would do is copy the link to this video and again, find the video downloader to get this video onto your device. Click on download, then you're going to see the video pop up. And what you can do with this video right here is obviously start using it for your own page to start building up your own page around basketball and around this product that we're going to be making money with via ClickBank. So anybody that's into basketball, anybody that wants to start dunking is obviously going to find interest in your page, possibly the product. And whenever somebody actually buys the product, you're going to see all the sales you generated inside of your ClickBank account. So again, all you're doing is building a simple page like this by using viral videos online and videos inside of your resource page so you can start making money online. And this is going to be an easy way to start making some extra cash online. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.